Alright, let's go ahead and begin making our chili garlic oil. And I'm using a frying pan today. I'm heating up my frying pan at a medium-high heat. The ingredients we will need for today are only 3 simple ingredients. We have oil here, and I'm using vegetable oil. But you can use your canola oil, your avocado oil, your olive oil, whatever oil of your choice. But I personally prefer the vegetable oil for this particular dish. And we also have chopped garlic. This is about 5 to 6 garlic chopped. If you don't like garlic, you can omit it. But if you love garlic like me, you can put this much or even more. And it's just gonna be so delicious. And our main star ingredient here is the dry chili pepper. And it's been roasted in the oven. It's been ground for this particular purpose. And you can actually buy this anywhere. You can buy any chili flakes in all the stores. And I have about half a cup. I'm putting my hand over the pot. I can feel the heat that it's ready. I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 cups of oil in here. Great. And then just going to let it heat up the oil a little bit. Once you start seeing the bubble, then you know you're ready to proceed. Right now, it's not ready yet. So like I said again, this garlic chili oil is so good with everything. I put it on everything. I love spicy. My friend makes fun of me, but you know, that's how I like my food. I'm sure some of you agree with me. Some of you think I'm crazy like my other friends who doesn't like spicy at all. But that's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in my chopped garlic now. Turn up the heat a little bit if you feel like it's still not ready. Okay, and you can start seeing the bubbles here. It's cooking. You can see the garlic floating up. And we're going to keep on stirring to make sure that it's cooked evenly. And you'll see the color eventually change into this golden yellow color. But it's not there yet, so we will keep on stirring. Starting to smell the fried garlic aroma. Oh, I love it. It smells so good. So, as you can see, it's starting to float now. But it hasn't changed color. We'll give it another 10 to 15 seconds to stir. Then it's gonna go really fast, so make sure you pay attention to this and not walk away, because you will burn your garlic. And I have burned my garlic before and didn't taste very good. So alright, so it looks like it's ready to go. Chili, put it in, stir it around, mix it in. Because the oil is super hot, you want to go ahead and I turn off the flame right now because it's still cooking, believe it or not. Still cooking, because otherwise you will burn everything again. So the heat is off and I'm stirring it. And because I have an electric stove, it's still hot in the surface. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this off the surface to prevent it from getting burned. And this is how it looks. You can see the bubbles still cooking. And that's the finished product. So we're going to let this cool down. I'm going to set it aside right here and just let it cool down, and then we can go ahead and store it, keep it for a month, 6 months to a year, however fast you go through your garlic chili oil. So it never goes bad. You don't need to fridge it. You just keep it in your pantry and have it ready to go. Alright, so this is how we store our chili oil. I've used a recycled glass honey jar, but you can use plastic, whatever container you want. And let me show you how it looks like in close-up. I have a little more oil than usual, but this is it. You can see the chili, and this is a special chili pepper from my backyard that my husband grows. It's super spicy. And when you're ready to serve, you just put them in a bowl like this. And this is great with pho, with dim sum, with barbecue, anything you want. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like with Lost to Me. Bye.